All right, and here's the last but most important step for your habit loop inventory. It is your replacement behaviors. So again, double click on there. I'm going to zoom in. So I've figured out, right, here's my whole loop. I get triggered by being around people I don't know well, makes me uncomfortable, so I get shy and hide in the corner, which helps me avoid awkwardness and awkward conversations, but it also keeps me from meeting new people and keeps things awkward. Okay? So the replacement behavior is so important. I don't like that this is the case. I don't like feeling uncomfortable in those situations, and I do not like, I do not like that, it makes it harder to meet people or feel comfortable, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come up with some different replacement behaviors. And notice it is behaviors plural, right? We want to have at least at least two or three replacement behaviors here, right? Because you don't know which ones are going to work best for you. It's hard, right? So you're probably going to want a couple that you can try and commit to. So in this case, instead of hiding in the corner, one thing I can do as a replacement behavior, right, when I know that I'm going in this situation, is to find one person, right, that I can ask questions of, right? That might be one thing. So I'll find that one person that, just choose somebody that I'm just going to start asking questions. Hey, how are you? Hey, what do you do? And just try to start off with some questions, right? And again, we want to have at least multiple behaviors. I recommend 3 for the sake of this demonstration. I'm just going to do 2, right? So I can find one person I can ask questions of, right, and talk to that way. Or what I can do is come with a friend who is social and can introduce me. Okay? This works really well. This is actually what has helped me a lot in my life is the fact that my wife is incredibly social, and she actually helps me with this a lot. So that's why I know this particular trick certainly can work. So I'm actually going to shrink the font size though, because it's taking up kind of the whole box here. So we put it down here, right? So I can find one person I can ask questions of, or come with a friend who is social and can introduce me, right? That's a really good one. And really helpful. So let's find an image. Now you can have images that go with both. I'm just going to find one for right now with finding a person. So let's go with like a one-on-one conversation kind of image. Should do it here. Sorry, I'm having trouble. One-on-one conversation. All right. It's kind of weird. It's like employees, but here. Okay. Right, maybe I find that one person to talk to. I go and chat with these folks here, right? And find something to talk to them about. So I paste that in here. And once that pastes in, we're going to resize it. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to have to shrink it down like always. And there you go. Right. If this is you, you should put a little picture that goes for each of these things. So maybe this could show both, right? Here's me having a one-on-one conversation, or maybe here's me with my social friend that's going to help me make friends. Okay, but then save that. And there you go. You have a full, weird. So I got a little extra picture here. So you just click it and delete it. And remember, if you ever make a mistake, just hit undo up there. All right, so now you should have a full habit loop inventory that has the trigger, a behavior, the reward, what you get out of that behavior, the cost of that behavior, and a replacement behaviors, plural, that you would use in the future to make a goal around to change this. And then you will start being able to break that habit and turn it into a good habit. So that's just one. So now you're just going to go ahead, you make those, and you're going to do it for 3 loops total, because we want to identify a couple different things and start working on improving and changing those habits. So go ahead and finish this up now.